Show Nana and Papa how y'all play. Oh. What are you doing, Brayden? I'm gonna come over here. Now go play. Show Nana and Papa how you spin on your zebra. Okay. Whoa! Go fast, go fast! Whoa! Okay, show them your tent. Can you show Papa your tent? Oh. Go show Papa your tent. Brayden, go show Papa your tent. Go show him what it looks like in there. Go show him. It's a chair in there?
Yeah.
Is that your secret hiding place?
Yeah.
Tell Papa, come sleep in my tent.
Come sleep in my tent.
What? I'm getting attacked. Tell Mason to come here. Tell Mason to come and play in your tent.
Mason, come here.
Tell him, come on. Clap your hands at him. Maybe he'll come to you. Clap your hands at Mason.
Mason.
Say, never mind.
Mason, come to the zebra there. No, wait. I need this. This basketball.
Okay. Oh, you okay?
I got two. The worms! See, Mama? Look on the wall!
Oh my God. There's a lizard
Yeah.
on your tent. We'll get him. We'll get him. He's okay. He's not gonna hurt nobody. We'll get him. That was kind of creepy. Mama will get him, okay? Tell Nana and Papa later, Gator.
Later, Gator.
Tell Nana and Papa later, Gator.